Welcome back to another lesson this week, guys, and it's another easy song. It's another good song to sing along. I think you guys will like this one this week. So click subscribe, hit the notification bell to not miss any of our upcoming lessons and songs we're going to learn, and some tips and tricks as well. There's one especially coming up a bit later I think you guys will really love. So stick around, we're going to do some really cool stuff right now. Okay, so the first song we're going to do this week is one of my all-time favorites. It's in my top 3, and I think a lot of people will agree, but we're going to make it a bit easier for the beginners. We're not going to do the solos and the intros and so on. We're just going to do the basics so you guys can play it and sing along with it New Year's or whenever. And the song is Purple Rain from Prince. You heard right, you guys, even the beginners will be able to play Purple Rain from Prince. It's only 4 chords we're going to use for this version of the song. So stick around, we're going to learn Purple Rain. That's right, Purple Rain right now. Let's run down the chords you're going to need to know for Purple Rain from Prince. That's right, we're not going to do the capoed version, we're just going to do the open version, a version for the beginners to play along to this awesome song. So the first chord you're going to need to know is the chord G. The second chord is E minor. There is a second way to play this one, especially with this song. It's really easy. I'm just going to show you guys when we get into the song. So the third chord, the chord D. And of course we're going to go down to chord C. And that is the 4 chords you're going to need to know to play Prince. The song is Purple Rain. So the E minor, the way we're going to play it in this song, it just goes along with it so nicely, is to keep your pinky, finger number 4, on the 2nd string, the 3rd fret, while you play E minor. Or you can keep your ring finger, finger number 3 or 4, doesn't matter, as long as you guys press down that one. But if you can't do it, do not worry, it's not necessary. Just play the normal E minor, nothing wrong with it. This is just a little tip to make that chord sound a bit better within the song. But when we zoom in, I'll show you guys both ways. So it is the chord G, E minor, the chord D, and the chord C. So let's zoom in and let's learn Purple Rain. This is the beginner version. So the 4 chords we're going to use is going to be the chord G, the chord E minor, the chord D, and the chord C. If you guys do not know how to play these chords, just hit the link on top. It will take you straight to the playlist to the lessons for these chords. So as I mentioned, you can play the normal E minor. That is fine, that's nothing wrong with it. It will still sound good. But what I like to do with this song, especially with this version, is just to keep finger number 4 on the 3rd fret, on the 2nd string, on the B string, just to keep finger number 4 there, and to play it with the E minor, but only in the chorus. It just gives you a bit more a Prince feel. Or you guys can play it with like that, or you guys can play it like that or that. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's just a little tip if you guys want to play it like that. I'll show you both ways anyway. So let's get to it. The verse. The verse is only G, E minor, D and C, as is the chorus. But most people will not sing the verse with you. They will just go, I never meant to cause you any sorrow, I never meant to cause you any pain. That's what I like to do. I like just to strum the verse once, but you can do, I never meant to cause you any sorrow, cause you any pain. It's just more difficult, doesn't sound right to me. So especially don't have the effects the electric guitar have, and so just let it ring out. Just I never meant to cause you any sorrow, dude. I never meant to cause you any pain. And then G again, and then E minor. And now this is the part where people will start to sing along. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain. End with G. So let's do that part again. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain. See? And once again, just let G ring. It's such a beautiful note, so just let it ring out. So let's do it from that part again, and let's go into the chorus. So 3, 2, from D, 1. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain, purple sea. Purple rain, purple G. And E minor, see? Purple rain. That is the chorus. See that E minor is such a small part, but it can make such a huge difference if you play just an extra little note. So let's do the chorus again from D. It's just easier to go in. 3, 2, 1, and I only want to see you laughing the purple G, purple C. C, purple G. Let's play the normal E minor. Purple D, purple D. I only want to see you bathing in the purple G. Chorus again. Purple G, purple C. Purple C, purple G. So let's do it once with the normal E minor and what I call Prince E minor, so you guys can hear the difference right after one another. So let's start with, let's just ring G and start with the chorus in 3, 2, 1. Purple rain, purple rain, purple C, purple G. So normal E minor. Purple rain, purple rain. I only want to see you bathing in the purple G. And then you go to the next verse. So that was with the normal E minor. Let me just show you guys. Just listen to what difference that can make. But it's nothing wrong if you just play the normal E minor. So let's just start with ringing out the G again. So 3, 2, 1. Purple rain, purple sea. Purple sea, purple G. Alright, so now it's time for that E minor. Purple rain, purple rain. I only want to see you bathing in the purple rain. Alright, so let's go through from the verse again. So let's start with G. I never meant to cause you any E minor. To D, I never meant to cause you any C. To G and E minor. And this part people will start picking up again from the D. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. And E minor. Purple rain, purple rain. And once again. You go to verse 2. So that's pretty much it, guys, for the beginner version. Of course, the Prince version is insane. If you guys want to check out a great video, go check out when he played the halftime show at the Super Bowl when it rained insanely, and they apparently asked him, or they apologized and said sorry for the rain, and Prince just replied, "Can you make it rain harder?" So that was Purple Rain. Easy song for the beginners, not the real version. It's a great song to play, I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. And that was it for Purple Rain and the first lesson this week. I hope you guys know it's not the first lesson this week, it's the second lesson this week. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, click subscribe, hit the notification bell to not miss any other songs or lessons or tips and tricks. Also join us on Facebook for our community page, and also follow us on Instagram. And I'll see you guys a bit later.